take two for this video that I've only just tried filming before, but unfortunately I run out of storage space on my device. So it's been a while that I've posted anything. Doesn't mean that I haven't done any work. I have crafted and done lots of stuff, but I had also moved my craft room, and the setup for filming has become a little bit more difficult to manage. So it's not quite there yet. I'm gonna have to work on that. But well, now with the enforced, well, not quite isolation, but you know, staying in a little bit more, I think now is the perfect time to do more of this kind of thing. And I have got a junk journal flip through here that it's high time that I actually get it filmed, because I want to send it to the recipient of this book. I have to kind of explain before I go into it a little bit the whole theme of the book. It's a kind of forest themed book, but also it is themed for somebody who is a fan of a particular actor who's currently, or was until yesterday, on stage in London in a play called Uncle Vanya by Anton Chekhov. And well, we both share the interest in this particular actor, and I decided to make a junk journal for my friend that reflects our interest in this actor and also the role that he's playing in this play. So having said that, this is the junk journal, and it consists of 3 signatures, and the outside of it is just a fairly neutral soft cover, and it's actually wipeable wallpaper, so if it gets grubby it can be wiped down. The book plate of it, that's actually an idea that I've stolen, I suppose, from Natasha at Treasure Books. I'll hopefully remember to link to her video in the box below. But yeah, I love the way she's designed those things, and I tried recreating it. So the journal is just closed with a bit of a bow, which I've fastened here at the side so it doesn't get lost. So looking into it, we have a bit of writing space on the back there, obviously, and I've deliberately folded over this tab so that, you know, you can open it up and you can write more there. And then there's a little pocket here with a tag, but there's also a pocket here that you can put something into. There's already a little that's the poster of the particular play. So jumping into signature number 1, the tabs have a little charm here, kind of botanical themed, and the book has a lot of Russian book pages in the decoration, obviously because Anton Chekhov is a Russian playwright. So here's the tag, and it has a theatre still from that particular production. So there's plenty of writing space, sometimes decorated. All kinds of pages. The book pages in here, I've tried to choose some that have kind of trees on them, because the character played by our favorite actor, his name is Richard Armitage, is a doctor who is very much an environmentalist and who likes to plant trees and has an interest in the forest and forestry. More book pages. These are empty pages for writing on. Here's a small little notebook. the end of the first signature with a collaged postcard that goes into the pocket here, if I can get it in without and a tag with the young Anton Chekhov on it. It's a bit of a dish. And here's signature number 2, another little charm. Got a tuck spot here with another tag, but this is also a little bag, so it can also go into the bag, and I love how you can sort of see through it. More writing paper. Here we have a little secret extra message, and when you open it up, there is the lovely Richard Armitage. Another tag and a little tiny little postcard there, and another photo of Anton Chekhov in his younger years. Another tuck, some trees, a scene from the play. And the last page of the second signature with a pocket and a long kind of, it's almost more like a bookmark, I suppose. A little bit of collaging there. Sorry, I need to have a sip of tea. And more Anton Chekhov with another tag, and the final signature with some stamping. Here's a little pocket that actually is like a pocket that you can close. Just a couple of pieces of ephemera. So a little notepad with extra paper. Oh, good. And here's another tuck spot. And finally, the last page of the third signature, again with a pocket and a long extra piece of tag. And at the end of it, I've sewn in another postcard and added a little pad of tea-dyed papers. And I actually quite like this kind of rough look. It looks old, and it kind of reminds me of the play again, with you know, set in early 20th century. So that's my my latest project, and I'm glad I've finally managed to make a little video here, and now I can put it in the post and send it to my friend and hopefully cheer her up in this time that is a little bit challenging for all of us. Hope everybody is well, and talk to you soon. Bye.